guys, so this is a run deal that you definitely want to do. So if you live in the Midwest like I do, you're gonna know that they have their winter stuff on sale for 90% off. This is when I like to stock up. So I called my stepdad, I called my brother, I said, do you guys need anything? They have these ice scrapers right now for $6, or these are $6.99. These are on clearance right now, 90% off, 69 cents. So I got 2 of those, one for my stepdad and one for my brother. And then my stepdad said he wanted a small little ham thing. So this is originally $4.99. I got it for 49 cents. So that'll be something to give to my family whenever I see them. So I got that. And then they had de-icer, like a scraper thing. Those were on clearance for 49 cents. There was hot hands and all that stuff on clearance for 39 cents, and I didn't need those. And then I got this jug of the Safe Step. This is the 6300. This was $1.09 on clearance. $1.09. I bought 4 of those. And then this is the 8300, and these were $1.19, and I bought 4 of those. We like to use those for our house. And then as I was checking, I was about to check out and I saw these. They have a lot of prepaid phones right now on clearance, super cheap. So this track phone was originally $34.99. It was on clearance for $3.49. The reason why I got it is because my kids are always bothering me to ask if they can play with my phone. And I'm like, yeah, and I have a hotspot on my phone, so if we're ever out and about and I usually use my phone like crazy when I'm doing my couponing hauls. I thought this phone would be great to have, so I'm still learning about it. We plan on just using it for the Wi-Fi. If not, we'll figure something else about it. But this is an LG Journey LTE phone, $3.49. We're hoping that one works. And then they had a different Verizon. They had I can't remember what one they had. They had another Verizon for $6.49, and then they had this Verizon one. This is an Orbit Wonder. This was $8.99. So this was originally $90. $90 for this phone right here. So I ended up getting that, so one of my kids can play with it. We just plan on basically using it just for the Wi-Fi. And then they had a flip phone also for $4.99. So that was my haul. I get the employee discount, so I got an additional 15% off of this stuff, you guys. I got everything for 20 bucks. $20 total. $20.29 I paid for all of that stuff. Is how much does it say? I saved 91%. I saved $206.64. You want to run to your store. From what I've heard, I don't know if this is true, they can only limit you 2 phones per transaction. I wasn't going to buy, like, I've seen people buying a ton of them. I don't know if that's true or not. I just plan on using it for the kids to use the Wi-Fi, especially when we're out and about, just so, you know, we can have them occupied and stuff. But that was my haul. I'm pretty lucky with everything that I got. But yeah, pretty excited for those phones. I'm really hoping those phones work. I did hear about the Verizon one that you have like 60 days to use it, and then like after 60 days it's like up, then you can start using your own Wi-Fi or something like that. So once I find out a little bit more information, or if you guys know a little bit more information than I do, please send me a message so I can figure it out. But I am so happy with this deal that I got. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.